Hey guys, I'm heading to Zack's Bikes today for a intermediate bicycle repair workshop. It's going to be put on by Parks Tools and hosted at Zack's Bike Shop. It's going to be a 3-hour, 4-day seminar or workshop there. So I'm going to go check this out. Hopefully they're going to let me shoot some pictures, some vlogs kind of stuff, and give you an overview of this little class. So they're going to run another one next month. Maybe a few guys will sign up if it's any good. I'll tell you if it's any good. So let's go check it out. Just before this workshop starts, hopefully they'll let me shoot some vlog footage. Go find out. Here it is, Zack's Bikes. So Zack's Bikes carries pretty much everything you need for your road biking or your mountain biking needs. They also carry a line of cruising bikes for everyday use and some kid bikes. Now before I get called out on this, I am not endorsed by Zack's Bikes or by Parks Tools. I just thought I'd do a review on them. I had to pay for this class. Now the class comes with this 241-page book with great photo illustrations. The technician that taught the class was super informative and knowledgeable.
Yeah, these ones are. So if you look at the end of the pedal, on the end of the shaft there, you'll see a CR and then either an R or an L. It's pretty small on the.
They provided bicycles for us to work on while we were there. We could bring our own, but mine was kind of muddy and I didn't want to. Part of the class covered things like thread alignment, torque, how to change a tire. A few things I've done many times in the past. Also covered how to patch an inner tube.
So you'll take your little piece of sandpaper that came with the patch kit and you'll rough up a spot bigger than the patch. Take your tube of glue. So you'll want to wait until that kind of shininess goes away. You don't necessarily need to. And press it on nice and firm with your finger. If you do try to peel it off, you run the risk of peeling it. And remember, only go up like 15 psi or so.
Oh, it goes in better. This 3-hour class went by pretty quickly. And again, was super informative. I did a lot of things that I already felt I knew how to do, but then there were a few things I'd never tried before, which was a lot of fun. We covered how to remove the cassette from your bicycle, things like lubing, and the inspection of the teeth on the gears.
We'll put it on somewhere in the middle of the cassette. It doesn't overhang. You'll want to see that roughness. If that roughness is gone, then the teeth have actually worn out. You guys can pass that down if you like.
The workshop was a blast, and I'm looking forward to the next 3 classes. They do this next month also, so if you're interested, contact Zack's Bikes.